Okay, so now we are on the way to go to the Handicraft Workshop, and at there we're gonna see the handicapped people who was the victim of the Vietnam War. They make some arts, products, and galleries. Yeah, and why we call it the handicapped people? Do you know why? Yeah, because most of them they was an ex-soldier in the wartime, or they was the children of an ex-soldier. Because in the wartime, the U.S. soldier they used a chemical which we call it dioxin, or the code name was Agent Orange. Yeah, you know that, right? Because the Vietnamese soldier they always hide in the jungle to hide themselves, and the U.S. Air Force they gonna drop this chemical from the plane into the jungle, and this chemical will make the leaf from the tree fall down, and the jungle cannot grow anymore. So after that, many Vietnamese soldiers they didn't have no more place to hide, and they also suffer from this chemical, and they become disability. And not even themselves, even after the war, when they get married, the baby become disability too. Yeah, affect from their moms and dads. So if you want to find more information about this topic, you can go to YouTube and find a documentary film named Children of Agent Orange to find more information. Yeah, and we're gonna visit there, and they're gonna make some art product and galleries like I say. So if you like this product, you can buy them as a gift for your friends and your family, and the things you buy is a big support for the handicapped worker. Yeah. Okay, so until now I will call our rope is Fat Boy Rope. Okay. Yeah, that's my name. You want another name?
With the lacquer. So lacquer is the oil from lacquer tree, and mixed with cashew all together. And after inlay, the cashew is very rough, not smooth. So we use this lacquer. We cover many layers, and then we polishing by wet stone and sandpaper. And we use hand saw. Cut it together this way. You see before and after we cut. And this one for detail. Or we cut by hand, and cutting shows more difficult step. People it strictly and patiently because the seashore is very key, very easy to break. And after we get the detail, we stick it together, and we inlay on the wood like this. And after that, we cover lacquer and we polishing also. And how the polishing, you see over here. After you extract and seashell, we cover lacquer and we polishing by the and sandpaper. This was all. We now polishing the painting again. Then we shine it by hand to finish. And you see the final step over here. Yeah, you can touch. One finished product. Smooth and shiny. Here we lay extra here, and we show by the part and then paint it together. You see, the finished product.